Hello, welcome. I am going to teach you some WordPress tips. Today I am going to introduce you with a famous WordPress page builder, WP Bakery. But before we begin this video, I will like to tell you the fact this page builder was really one of the famous tools in the last years, but now new tools have given it a serious competition. But still some of our clients websites are designed in this tool in the last years, so we have to maintain our records, and we have to maintain our clients in the same old methodologies, and we will normally suggest each client to update to the latest technologies. Let's move to the video and discuss how we can shift to new technologies in another part of my videos. But right now we will solve some issues with this client where we have some problems to edit the data on the front end. Although the purpose of page builder is to manage every contents on the website right on the front side with a very simple drag and drop interface, but we are facing some issues. We will manage the data by some tricky uh, 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 with some tricky tips, and we will manage some data with by using some tricks in the admin panel. We will add or remove the data in the admin panel through a CMS, and we will add or delete the data in the table, and to see the changes on the front end we have to follow some lengthy procedure. But later on, in we are in 2021, we have latest tools to handle every updates and to apply on any updates. We have suggested new tools to go with. Let's move ahead. Right now I will type the URL of my client in the address bar of this browser, of my Google Chrome browser. Let's type here. Okay, I just typed it and pressed enter. Let's see it. The website is loading. This website is in Greek. Okay, right now the page looks like this, and we have to make some changes in this page. Right now I will make some changes on this page, this annual meeting page. I will click the page and the page is loaded. Suppose I want to change some text here, which is very easy. I will select the text in the page builder, which is named, the page builder is Visual Composer, and WP Bakery is another name for this same WordPress plugin. Okay, here I will show how to edit this text, how we can edit the headings, how I can edit the names of doctors, which is a little tricky part in this video. I will also edit the programs. It's easy to change the heading, but it's not so simple to change the content for this program section. Let's move ahead and see how we can do this. First of all, you must know how to log into WordPress, and I will just simply change the URL to the dashboard login path. Okay, I have my password already saved here. I will just agree to the captcha and click login. Okay, simply I'm logged into the dashboard, and if I refresh the page on the front end, we will see an admin bar on top of the page. This black bar is for admin control, and here I can keep moving to my mission, and we will keep moving to our mission. Okay, so I have to edit the page here. I will simply click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. I just opened the link in new tab. So here you can see WP Bakery is loading its interface. Okay, you can see the page is loaded. The interface of WP Bakery is loaded. Here, if I want to make some changes on the counter, I will simply click the pencil icon. And here I can make any changes to the text and save changes. Let's simply say our 17th annual meeting, and if I save changes, and close the pop-up, I will directly see the change in the text on my page, and I can update the page to save the record in the database. Simply, if I want to change number of the values in the counter, I will click this pencil icon. I will find counter slider and click on pencil, and if I change the event date, the changes will apply on the page. Okay, very simply, if I want to change the heading, here is the pencil icon to go with this change. And if I want to change this welcome message by the owner, I will see a very easy interface. I will click the pencil icon, and make any changes. Let's see, there needs a space. I will add the space and save changes and close the pop-up, and you can just observe the change here. I think I should highlight it with the mouse Yes, uh, yes, here you can see the change. Okay, I want to just capitalize my letters. I will edit the heading and I want to change the letters to capital. I just did it with the help of striking on my keyboard, and then I can simply save changes and close the pop-up, and you will see the change will show right on the page immediately. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, now if I want to edit the name of a doctor, so it is a little bit tricky. This is not directly accessible on the front end. It's just a widget linked with the database. So I have to go to the dashboard, I have to go to WordPress dashboard and change the data from backend. Okay, whatever the changes I have made so far, I will simply click the update button and save the changes to website database. You can see the message successfully saved. Okay, here if I want to change this heading, here is the option. We have already done a same job in the above heading, and once again if I want to change time or spelling of the content here, this is not directly accessible by a simple drag and drop, but we can see there is a widget linked here in WordPress WP Bakery. This event ID must be saved in the database in the dashboard, and I will find this event 3436 and edit the contents in the dashboard. Okay, so here if I want to change the heading, it's simple and direct editing on the front end. If I want to change this text, this is simple on the front end, and this text is also very simply edited on the front end by a simple drag and drop, and this registration text is also simple to edit on the front end. Similarly, if you want to change the message here, I will just change the color of this line to black. I will edit no, I think this is going to edit the heading, but there is no easy option to change the color in this interface. That's why I just recommended switching to new page builder tools introduced in WordPress, Elementor Pro, Elementor and Basic and Elementor Pro. Okay, I will just ignore this, and now I am scrolling back to top of the page and will show you how I will edit speakers. As I told you, as I explained, speakers are connected with front end from the database with this with the speaker listing widget. Okay, I will simply go to the dashboard, and there I have different modules. I will choose speakers, and first of all I will explain the website is supporting two different languages, English and Greek. And if I want to make a change in the English page, I will select from the database a row which is in English for. Okay, if I want to edit this Dr. Rasparini, G. Rasparini, I will select from the record, and this must be in English language. I will simply edit. To edit an entry, you have to click its title or the edit link right below the title. Here I can make any changes and then update to save the record in the database. Let's say here we need a space, and then I will update. Now if I want to change the picture with this entry, we have to select featured image for this post. If you have an idea about custom post types in WordPress, so it is a very good knowledge for you. Otherwise, keep watching my videos, and I will guide you different secrets in WordPress. Okay, I just saved it, and then on the front end, if I refresh, I will see the changes. If I had changed the photo or the name of the doctor, the change would just reflect on the front end. Similarly, if I want to change the value of front the content in program, I will just select the right event ID from the backend and go with this. Like, we just figured out the event ID is 3436. I will simply select this module events, and then three four three six is right here. Let me show you how. When you scroll the mouse on the pencil icon, you can see the value at the bottom of bottom left of my Chrome window, and the post is 3436. You can see 3436 below my pointer. Okay, I will click edit or simply the title of the post. And then you have to explore some features of the theme you have installed for building this website, and there I can figure out a tab schedule, and I will scroll down, and then here are the entries made to show on the front end, and here is what you want to change. I will change the letters to capital. You can see I have made a very simple change, and then I will update. The update button will save the changes to database, and then if I refresh the page on the front end, I will observe the change here, and for this I have to delete the cache of the page. Sometimes if you don't delete the cache, you will not see the changes and you will be confused. So I have just removed the cache and the page is refreshed, and here you can see the content is updated. I think this is enough for now, and I am stopping the video here. Thank you very much for watching.